going to tell you how to answer the questions of introduction in English to the person who is asking you to introduce yourself. कैसे आपको introduction के questions का answer English में करना है. Okay? Suppose somebody asks you, "Hi, what is your name?" So you have to answer it this way. "Hi, my name is Riyansh Kohli." Basically, your name will be the answer to this question, but the way will be like this. My name is Riyansh Kohli. Okay? So if somebody asks you, "How old are you?" So you have to answer it this way. "I am 6 years old." The count of your age will be the answer to this question, but the way will be like this. I am 6 years old. So if somebody asks you, "When is your birthday?" So you have to answer it this way. My birthday is on 22nd of October. 22nd of October. So basically your birthday will be the answer to this question. But the way to answer this question will be, my birthday is on 22nd of October. If somebody asks you, "In which country do you live in?" So you have to answer it this way. I live in India. If somebody asks you, "In which city do you live in?" So you have to answer this in this way, that I live in Bareilly. If somebody asks you, "How many family members are there in your family?" or "How many people are there in your family?" So you have to answer it this way. There are 4 people in my family. And if they again ask, "Who are they?" So you have to answer it this way. They are my mother, my father, my brother and my sister. If somebody asks you, "In which school do you study?" or "Which school are you a student of?" So you have to answer it this way. I am a student of Jingle Bells Public School. If somebody asks you, "Which is your favorite subject?" So you will answer it this way. My favorite subject is mathematics. Or any subject that you like will be the answer to this question. But the way to answer this question will be like this. My favorite subject is mathematics. If somebody asks you, "Which is your favorite sport?" So your answer will be like this. My favorite sport is cricket. Or any sport that you like will be the answer to this question. But the way will be the same. What do you want to become in your life? Or what do you want to become? You will answer it this way. I want to become a CA. Or anything that you want to become will be the answer to this question. But the way will be same. I want to become a CA. That will be the way. Okay. So if somebody asks you, "What is your hobby?" So you will say like this. My hobby is dancing. Or any hobby that you do, that you like to do, you will be the answer to this question. But the way will be the same. If somebody asks you, "Which is your favorite food?" So you can answer it this way. My favorite food is rajma and rice. So anything that you like to eat, you will be the answer to this question. Or if somebody asks you, "Which is your favorite drink?" So you can answer it this way. My favorite drink is coconut water. So that will be the answer to this question. If somebody asks you, "Which is your favorite day of the week?" You can answer it this way. My favorite day of the week is Sunday. Or any day that you like will be the answer to this question, but the way will be the same to answer the question. If somebody asks you, "Which genre of movie do you like?" or "Which type of movie do you like?" you have to answer it this way. I like comedy movies. Or any type of movie or any genre of movie that you like, you can answer it that, but the way will be same to answer the question. If somebody asks you, "Which is your favorite month?" you have to answer it this way. My favorite month is January. Or any month that you like the most will be the answer to this question. Again, the way of answering this will be like this. My favorite month is January. If somebody asks you, "Which is the most beautiful place in your country?" So you have to answer it this way. The most beautiful place in my country is Kashmir. Or any place that you feel is the most beautiful in your country, you can answer it. Okay? So I hope you will be answering the questions of introduction in English only, and you will be utilizing these sentences to answer the questions. I hope you will be utilizing this assignment the most and will be inculcating in your daily life. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.